Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, coming at you for a very different kind of video. We are so excited that the next video you're going to see from us is going to be one that's been literally months in the making. We had the pleasure in the fall of 2022 to go out to Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio, and visit the Procter & Gamble Heritage Center and Archive Department. This is a very unique area that doesn't really exist in a lot of other corporations, where Procter & Gamble is preserving and collecting their history and learning these stories of successes and failures from the different companies that they have, and helping to communicate those stories to their staff today so they can learn from that. And we were able to not only check out the Heritage Center, but then of course we were able to go in and check out the Gillette Archive Center, where they have all the old Gillette razors and original models. And I mean, gosh guys, I've been there 3 other times, if you can believe it, and you'll see and hear more about that in the video. But this time we were able to dive in deep with Greg, who is the head archivist of the department, and swap stories and learn more about the inner workings of why and what they do and how it relates to wet shaving today. I am so excited for this video to come out. It's going to come out in 2 parts, and you're going to see it next from us, part 1, and then the week after will be part 2. So please tune in and get ready to get excited, because it's some fun stuff out there. And we just want to also take a quick moment to give a huge shout out and thank you to Greg McCoy, the head archivist, of course, to Procter & Gamble, and to Gillette Corporate, because Gillette also had a sign off on this. So we are just so excited for that to come out. It's probably, I know it sounds weird, but like I say, high school diploma, graduate from college, and then go into the Heritage Center, the archive department. These are like huge accomplishments in my life, and as a career of being an entrepreneur, this is probably one of the greatest honors I've ever had, is to go in there with a camera crew and bring this to you guys, the viewers. So if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel so you can see it. Hit the bell to notify you that when it comes out, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.